We are Swedes abroad, and for this adventure we decided to take our bikes and visit Playa La Pinta. This small urban beach is close to Puerto Colón. It has pale sand, showers, shops all around, and a water park. We just had to check it out.
Kira, are you feeling cool? Ready to go?
Yeah, I do look ready, right?
Yeah, you do. Are you ready to go?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. Did you like the sand castle?
Yeah.
Was it cool?
Yeah.
Can you build one on your own? Noah, did you like the sand castle?
Yeah.
Can you build one?
No.
Alright guys, shall we go now?
Yeah, ready to go.
Let's go.
We often try to make the journey to a specific spot part of the adventure. The key is not to be in a hurry. We stopped to have a look at the scenery. Noah did some shopping for sunglasses. We stopped to have another look at the view, before finally arriving at Puerto Colón, Playa Pinta and the water park. But first, we needed to refuel.
Let's have something to eat, guys.
How are you? Good. How are you, Mom? Fantastic. How are you?
I'm good. I'm excited to go outside and play in the water. Let's go. Might be a bit of a touristy spot, but still, it's pretty cool. I mean, now everything is changing compared to what it was last year when the COVID struck, right? Because when the COVID struck, it was like nobody here, like nobody. But now, more and more people are arriving, which is great for business here in Tenerife, and more and more stores are open, and yeah. People are generally more happy. That's a good thing, right? Getting ready.
The time finally arrived to go out and experience the water park. Tindra and Noah was pumped.
Ready, guys? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Let's swim a little bit.
Thinking back on all
Besides the water park, there is other possibilities to do water sports. Me and Tove went for some snorkeling. As the sun was setting over Playa La Pinta, we felt so lucky to have visited this fantastic beach. We had a snack at one of the many restaurants and then headed for home on our bikes. Yet another fantastic adventure in Tenerife. If you found this video fun and entertaining, please consider subscribing. A lot more to come. Take care.
Sweets abroad! Woo!